Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, to my existing and to my new subscribers. Welcome back to Bags and Designs by Khembuzz. Guys, today's video I'll be showing you this cute lovely bag. So the length is 7 inches while the width is 20 inches. So guys, for this particular material I'm making use of vinyl fabric. So I'm just going to notch the center of this fabric and bring out the pleating of this fabric. So for the pleating measurement I make use of is 0.75. So guys, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification button for more updates. And also guys, watch out for my next video. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be mind-blowing. Now I'm going to be making use of a caterpillar zip, so I'm going to fix it to my fabric and stitch. And also guys, for the lining I'll be making use of a suede for the lining of my bag. Guys, I'm through with this bag, so the next thing I'm going to be doing is to punch it over to the side of this bag and use my eyelet machine. So for the eyelet I'll be making use of 28 for the dies, and also 28 for my highlight, and 28 for the puncher. So I'm just going to use my machine to press the eyelets. Guys, this video has come to an end. Thank you so much for watching, and please, if you have any question, you can drop your question under the comment section. And if you find this video interesting, kindly give us a beautiful like and also a lovely comment. Guys, see you on my next video.